Welcome back, everyone. This is Nate from Nate's Here and There, coming to you from near or far. Today, we're out here on Holden Beach. You just seen us drive over the bridge. Something happened with me recording something. I was recorded back at the house, and something happened, and it got deleted. I don't know how, but we out here, so we're gonna have a beach day. Can't stay but 2 hours, really. And we got, we don't know what kind of plans we got. We're just gonna give the day, play it by ear. So grab a chair for the day the Lord has made. Sit back and enjoy. Now, I want you to know this. I am using my Action 4 out here today on the beach. And the zoom in on this camera really isn't that great. Every time I come on the beach, I usually use my iPhone or my Samsung. So I got two phones. One is just for filming YouTube, and then, I use my Samsung. This one is, it's really good on 4K and stuff, but this camera is not really good on zooming in. I'm gonna tell you this right now, there's a lot of people showed up, and I was coming out here, I was like, there probably ain't gonna be nobody out here on the beach. I was wrong. It's like it's a summer day down here, and it's already fall, which it is in the 80s, upper 80s. Feels good out here. Before we go walking, this is my chair. It's a recliner. I love using this chair out here on the beach, but only bad thing, it is extremely heavy. This thing is heavy. I'm gonna let you know right now, there's some big old waves right here. These waves are huge. It's getting choppier too. To get in waves like this, you better be a good swimmer. I'm telling you. There's some of them that's coming through here. I mean, they are huge. And this water is cold. I mean, cold. Blackbirds right here, looking for food. That's about the only thing. They'll run around on the beach looking for food the whole time. Somebody to feed them. I'm going to show you what washed up on the beach right here. Big old limb. You can tell there's a lot of water in here earlier. They washed something up this big. we're about to get ready to leave, and we're gonna go to a different spot on the beach and just see how it is. We can only stay here for until 3 o'clock. That's all we paid for. Yes, it's paid parking. I don't agree with it, but what can you do? If you get here on the beach, you got to do it. We've arrived back to the house. About to go in, take showers, get ready, so we can go out to eat. So come along with us. We done got dressed up, cleaned up, and dressed up. Now we're about to head to the restaurant. And I have to be careful going down these steps. These pine straw always gets on here. But we're heading to the. We'll show you what restaurants we're going to eat at. But the thing about it, they will. You'll have to check out the video for the restaurant review. That's going to be a separate video than this one. This is where we're going to eat at tonight. This is Mermaids. I'll walk over here and show the front. Now this is the front out here, Mermaids. So we're going to go in. Like I said, this is a separate video. So be watching out for the restaurant review for Mermaids. I thought I would film the sunset. It looks beautiful. With the water tower in the background and the bridge. But the colors are just the way it just illuminates the clouds underneath. It looks really good. Now we underneath the pier here, or I'm sorry, the bridge. This is the bridge that goes over, comes into Holden Beach. But I've been told if you come in here boat ramp, you can actually see some squid. He's casting a net. There's a guy here casting a net. Oh yeah, and they tore down the gazebo up here. Used to be a gazebo up there on top of the hill. They tore it down. I'm here on the dock, and this is what they're catching shrimp and bait fish. This is another restaurant here on the waterway. This is Jack's. No, Captain Pete's. Captain Pete's over here. There's a boat out there. A red, white. Or you know, you can see the light on it. I'm right here at the edge of the dock. This is one of these floating docks. Whew. It gets you sometimes. There comes that boat right there. The boat is right here. You see it flashing the lights on it. Coming this way too. Or are they going up under the bridge right here? I'm sorry, that's Captain Pete's. That's what that is over there. I accidentally said Jack's. That was my mistake. There's the boat right there. It's going behind the pilings right there. There it goes. Stop here at Slushy, Sunset Slushy, or Sunset Slush, classic Italian ice. Established in 2003. I was going to show you, and I got me some. She took me, and I got some. And this is their flavors. Oh, this looks so good. Almond, banana, blueberry, blue vanilla, bubblegum, cherry, chocolate, cola, coconut cream, cotton candy, creamsicle, crybaby, cupcake, grape, green apple, iced coffee, fruit punch, key lime, lemon lime, mango, peach, pina colada, pineapple, raspberry, root beer, strawberry lemonade, tangerine, watermelon, and it's all fat-free and gluten-free and dairy-free and cholesterol-free. And this is some of the combinations over here. Jolly Zombie, the Blitz. I got strawberry shortcake. This is what I got. I'm gonna try it right quick. Let me tell you this, it tastes just like a strawberry shortcake. Just like it. That is really good. That's some of the front out here. Hold on, I got to show you this. It says ring the bell twice if you like the ice. So I'm gonna ring it twice. Oh, that was loud. I got their attention in there probably. But this is out front on Holden Beach. We're right here at the bulkhead here on Holden Beach. This is the furthest point that you can go without running into the intercoastal waterway. I'm gonna get out right quick. There's people camping here. I gotta cut my lights off. Now those lights out there are Oak Island. I know it's really dark here. Extremely dark. Ooh, it's also muddy. There's somebody camping right here. Right here. There's somebody got a campground set up. But anyway, this is the bulkhead. Now, these lights out here on the beach, that's the beach out there. That's people fishing. But also, it's also pretty, it's a starry night tonight. I don't know if you can see them. But these, like I said, that's Oak Island, the end of Oak Island. Oh, that's a pretty good size spotlight out there. You can see them, and I think that's a boat out there too. And we made it back to the house. This has been a long day. long, impactful day. Seen some beach, really good waves at the beach, and some really good food, really good, not getting a light over here. Oh, can't see me. Oh, there we go. Really good food, really good ice cream, or icy. So, all in all, I think I had a pretty decent day on the beach, you know. And I hope you've enjoyed this, much as I have bringing it to you. If you have, leave me some feedback in the comments below. Like, share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel. With all that said, be safe, God bless, and we'll catch you on the next one. And remember to let go, let God.